Okay, how's it going there, YouTube? Well, got a pretty simple video for you guys tonight. This is a project pretty much anyone can figure out how to do, but it was a video opportunity here. This is basically how to make your own gaskets. I got some, I believe it's an 1/8 inch cork gasket material here. I ordered this off Amazon. It was a little bit expensive now, about 20 bucks by the time it gets here. You guys know I've been trying to make a rocket cover for the 80 here for quite some time, and I finally got it in, so we're going to shift back to the 80 here instead of doing the 99 stuff. That's another video, I'll get into that. Anyway, that's pretty simple how to do, at least for a rocket cover, guys, and this applies the most. To get your initial shape, you're going to want to take and cut, you trace around your part. I find it's the easiest thing to do. Or you can draw lines around it, and you can cut it with snips, whatever's easiest for you to do. I just got a simple little open knife here because, well, I like to show you guys the way that I do things in the shop, of course. So basically, what you're going to want to do to start with this is get it lined up here. You really only got one shot doing this. It's only got so much gasket material. It does cut pretty easily. Something like that. There. So now you got your initial shape. Put that off to the side. I'm gonna have to cut the inside portion out, of course, but I want to show you guys something here real quick before I sign off on this. Let me get a little socket here. Real major, but anyway. So say you got a bolt hole or something to go around. Say you got some studs in it, or you got bolt holes. Hope I'm getting the shot already because I got my tripod reversed. This is the real view here, guys. I just unrolled this stuff literally 2 seconds before I started doing the video. Anyway, if you want to punch a round hole in something, you take a socket about the right size of stud you need, hit it with a hammer a couple of times, you can press it right out of there. Maybe you gotta do it again, but anyway, I just want to give you guys the idea here. Anyway. Something like that. And you just punch a little hole like that. But anyway, I'm going to use a level and kind of cut about 1 inch around this on the inside. That's pretty much it for making your own gaskets, guys. Wasn't that simple? Anyway, if you like that little video, please comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.